Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cleaning motivation and lifestyle videos. Today I am going to be cleaning and organizing my refrigerator. The first thing that I'm going to do is just take everything out, and this way it helps me to see what I need to throw away and what is going to go back in the refrigerator. And then I am doing something now where I am going to go ahead and prepare my produce. I just feel like it makes it so much easier to meal prep, or if the kids want a quick snack, they can grab it themselves as far as like the fruit and stuff. So we're going to be doing that as well. So now that everything is out, you can see what we're working with. It wasn't totally bad, but it definitely needed a good wipe down. There were some crumbs in the door and on the shelves, and a couple of sticky stuff, a couple of spills. Not that bad. This is usual for us, especially when I get it done just once a week. This is really not that bad, honestly. So I'm going to do the same thing that I do with every time I clean the refrigerator. I just take some warm soapy water and I just use my dish soap, and I do put a little bit of bleach in there, and I'm just going to soak the shelves. These shelves do come off, but like I said, this wasn't that bad, so I didn't need to take the shelves off. So I'm just going to soak it with the water, and then I'm going to scrub it and wipe it down real good. Now that it is clean, we're going to start putting stuff back in. And the way that I do it now is, instead of taking everything out and putting it in random places, as I'm taking it out, I'm putting it together. I'm organizing it. I'm putting the trash with the trash and stuff that is like items together that's going to be beside each other. So like, for example, I had all the salad dressings in one place, everything that needed to go in the door in one area. It just makes it easier for me to see what I'm working with as far as what I'm going to put back in where and how to organize it. Now we are going to get ready to prepare the fruits and vegetables. I do get my fruits and vegetables from Kroger's, which is our local grocery store. I stopped buying them from Walmart a long time ago because they would just go bad super quick. and these tend to be fresher and last longer. So what I'm just going to be doing is preparing it. I'm going to be washing it, cutting it up, and placing it in a container, and it just makes it easier. Like I said, when I need it, I don't have to do that each time. The kids can just go in there and grab it, or if I want to make a smoothie, I can just go in and grab it. It saves so much time if you go ahead and prepare your fruits and vegetables ahead of time. Now I'm going to be doing the peppers. Our peppers in our house have multiple different uses. For one, my kids like to snack on, or well, not my kids, just my son likes to snack on those. Honestly, the red ones and the green ones, and he'll try the other ones, even though to me they kind of taste the same, but to each his own. But he'll snack on them, and then I love to make stir fry. I'll use them when I'm cooking breakfast in my eggs, and since I am cutting it up, like I said, it just makes it so much easier and faster to cook with them. I do buy frozen broccoli as well as fresh broccoli. It all depends on how much time that I have and if the broccoli is looking right in the produce section, because sometimes it doesn't. But I like to cut these up, and me and again my son will have them as a snack with some ranch dressing. It's totally so delicious and healthy for you. It's almost like we make our own little vegetable platter tray. It just makes it easier and something that he can just grab for himself. totally like all of my skin cut off of my cucumbers. I kind of do it like little spaces every now and then just to make like a little design. You'll see it when I cut it, that design that it makes. And again, a quick snack option, or you can throw it in your salad, or you can just eat it with some ranch. Me personally, I like to cut them up and put them with tomatoes with some Italian dressing. Salt, pepper, and vinegar is another option if you don't want to use the Italian dressing. But it's just really good, and as you can see, my kids are just, I can't cut it fast enough. This is probably going to be gone before it even makes it into the refrigerator. Now I'm going to prepare the celery. Again, celery has multiple uses in our household. The main use that I use it for is juicing. I love celery juice. Well, I don't love celery juice, but I drink celery juice very often. I try to have it at least once every other day. And with me preparing it like this, it just makes it easier because now I can have them already washed, pre-cut, and bunched together on the mornings. That is it for this video. Everything is looking organized. This is as aesthetic as I can get it because we're just not that type of family. But as always, I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.